Hey, in this 2-minute video, I'll explain to you what is gradient descent. First, let's separate the word to understand it better. What is gradient and what is descent? Gradient is just the slope, how high something is and how low something is, and it's constant or not. Means like the position of graph, is it increasing or decreasing or it's constant? So that's all the gradient is. Okay, and what's descent? Descent is to decrease, to come down. Okay, ascent mean to go up, descent mean to come down. So gradient descent. Okay, so collectively it's like, let's say this is our x-axis. Okay, and we have the parabolic graph. This is our graph and this is our x-axis. Let's say we are at this point currently. We have such parameter values that gives us the higher errors. So let's say our machine learning model makes high errors currently. So we need to change the parameter value such that it descends. Are you getting me? So we need to make it down up to we get closest to the x-axis. So we need to change the parameter values till our graph comes down. It descends up to this level, closest to the x-axis. That's where our model will make the least possible errors, and that's all we need in that's all we need in any machine learning model. We need the accuracy to predict better outcomes, accurate outcomes. So that's all gradient descent is. Thank you very much.